So my friend, this is Bobby from Magic Garden. Today, let me introduce you our modular WPC tiles. Okay, first let me show you the design. This is a snap fit connection design. Okay, let me check the back side. You can check here. You can check this part. This is the female locking slot. And this part. This is the male locking tab. So it can click in. So very quickly. And you can check. Okay. Let's do the installation. Here on the check. Okay, check the connection. Okay, we just get this part and this part, they can click in. Also, this part also. And for this kind of tiles, normally you need to choose the flat surface. If it is uneven platform, it is not available. Okay, you can check very fast, and one person can do it. Let me check the after installation result. Okay.